All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. We're still here doing a mask adjustment, but yeah, it's it's nice and sunny today, guys. 54 degrees. It feels great. Now, after that trail, guys, my bum does not feel too great. But we're hacking it somehow. And yeah, after Rockdale here, right as we kind of get to the side of Joliet, it's taking us back onto that trail. And I just don't want to, because that's going to set us back. I say let's stay on Route 171, because we'll also get to go by the old prison. So maybe we'll even stop in a parking lot for a moment, or at least just look at it from the street. But guys, yeah, I reckon if we go back on the trail, it's just going to be a nightmare for my bum, nightmare for the trip. And yeah, I see it like this. All right, we've been there, we've conquered it, we've seen it. Come on, let's go. There's not much more to see. All right, guys, so we got about 9 minutes, or it said about 6 minutes, 6 to 9 minutes to the Wendy's. And yeah, we'll charge up. We will charge up. Oh, there's a bit of a hill to climb there, guys. Bollocks. There'll be another one. So Hickory Street. Oh yeah, we've added a stop in Jefferson, so yeah, we're good. Alright guys, there's another hill there to climb. Let's get closer to it. Because yeah, here's the Interstate 80. For Gary, Indiana. Which I can see a lot of people are getting on. Nice. Hey guys, so we know our plan. Well, 160, 171. We're at 171. Oh wow. Oh wow, what is this? They forgot about this little road here. Hey. There you go. 5 minutes, guys, to break. Till snack time.